Welcome. If you want to get iOS launcher on your Xiaomi Poco X3, for the first you have to go for the Play Store. After that, just tap on the search pool and type here iOS launcher. And we have to get this application from the routine developer. So let's install. Click to open. Accept all of the permissions. And then just go back to the main screen. Select iOS Launcher 14, but before that you have to click on the Remember My Choice and go for the iOS. Accept the notifications. And as you can see, here we got the iOS Launcher on our Xiaomi Poco X3. And of course, we can also check the widgets here. We can also edit it. And you can go here for the application and you are able to set up other things. For example, you can change the blur effects, you can add the weather, widgets, you can change the icon, the name. There's a lot of things that we can customize. You can also add the control center because right now we got this default emotion UI bar, but you can change it of course. So as you can see, it's very simple, and if I help you, leave likes, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!